30 listings a month. Each one needs a script, a shot list, and a storyboard. That used to mean 30 hours of prep. Now it takes 30 minutes. Today, we are breaking down the exact AI workflow top real estate media agencies are using to produce listing video scripts, storyboards, and full video packages at scale. Here is what manual script writing is actually costing your agency. The fastest way to fix this costs nothing. Open ChatGPT and give it a detailed property prompt. You tell it the bedroom count, the standout features, the neighborhood feel, and the video length. Within seconds, you have a full 60-second script broken into scenes, suggested camera movements, pacing notes, and text overlay ideas. For agencies handling 10 to 30 listings a month, this alone can recover hours of prep time every single week. And if you want consistency across your team, you can build a custom version trained on your agency's specific tone and style. Let's put the old workflow and the AI-powered workflow side by side. The difference is not subtle. Beyond ChatGPT, there are purpose-built platforms specifically designed for real estate media production. Let's walk through the best ones. AutoReel is built for photography companies and brokerages that want to offer listing videos without hiring a video editor. You upload your MLS photos, pick a property-specific storytelling template, and AutoReel animates everything into a cinematic video complete with music, transitions, and text. The outputs are MLS safe and formatted for social media. For a photography company servicing agents across a metro market, this becomes a natural upsell. Every photo package now includes a branded listing video with 0 additional crew and 0 post-production hours. RealE takes the photo-to-video concept further for professional media teams. Upload your photos once, and RealE delivers 4 ready-to-deliver video variants automatically. Horizontal branded for MLS and listing presentations. Horizontal clean for YouTube. Vertical branded for Instagram Reels. Vertical clean for TikTok. One upload, a complete cross-platform video package. For agencies managing dozens of agent clients, the automated branding workflow means logos, colors, and watermarks applied consistently across every listing without touching an editor. Here is the RealE platform. The automated branding workflow is the standout feature for agencies. You set up your client's logo, colors, and watermark once, and every video that comes out of the system carries consistent branding. A media company producing content for a luxury brokerage can maintain that brand standard across 50 listings a month without a single manual edit. BigVU handles the piece that AutoReel and RealE don't, the spoken word. The AI writer generates a polished listing script from property details in seconds. That script feeds directly into a built-in teleprompter. Your agent reads it on screen, records a confident professional walkthrough, and never has to memorize a line. For a team lead, managing 20 agents, the workflow looks like this. Load a custom script template. Have each agent record their listing video in under 5 minutes, then push it to all platforms from one dashboard. Captions, branding, and one-click social sharing are all included. The production time numbers with BigVU speak for themselves. Now let's put it all together into the complete end-to-end workflow your agency can run on every listing. Here is exactly how a modern AI video workflow runs for a real estate media agency. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to generate the listing script and storyboard before the shoot. Step 2. Share the shot list with your photographer so they arrive with a clear production plan, not a guessing game. Step 3. Use BigVU to record the agent's on-camera narration using the AI-written script and the built-in teleprompter. Step 4. Upload listing photos to AutoReel or RealE to generate the cinematic video package automatically. Step 5. Deliver a complete branded video package to your client, ready for MLS, Instagram, and YouTube same day. Here's how the hours saved stack up across the 3 biggest time drains in a typical listing video production cycle. The agencies building this workflow now are not just saving time. They are building a structural competitive advantage that is very hard for slower competitors to close. Here is what that looks like in practice. To recap, here is how each tool fits into your stack depending on what your agency needs most. Every real estate media business is different. The right AI stack depends on your production volume, your clients, and where your team is losing the most time right now. Book a free 15-minute call, and we will map out exactly which tools to implement first and how to integrate them without disrupting what is already working. No generic advice, just a concrete action plan built around your specific agency. Subscribe for more practical AI strategies built for real estate operators.